Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Tapo C120 security camera and I'm going to show you how can you easily firmware update. First you have to tap on our camera over here and then hit this gear icon over here. Now we have to scroll almost all the way down so that we can see firmware update. We have to tap on it and hit update. Now we are updating. It may take a while, so don't worry. We do not have to power off our smart device during the update. It will restart to complete the update. We mustn't use anything now. We just have to wait. Do not unplug your cable from here or your cable from your charger. And now, as you can see, our firmware is up to date. That's it, hope it helps you, goodbye!